Now we start question number 26. Karl Marx explained the process of class struggles with the help of which one of the following theories? Empirical liberalism, existentialism, Darwin's theory of evolutions, dialectical materialisms. Answer is D. Dialectical materialism. Question number 26. A layer in the Earth atmosphere called ionosphere facilitates radio communications. Why? The presence of ozone causes the reflections of radio waves to Earth. Radio waves have a very long wavelength. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Answer is D. Both are incorrect. Question number 28. Both foreign direct investment and foreign institutional investments are related to investment in a country. Which is one of the following statements best represent an important difference between the two? Foreign institutional investments help bring better management skills and technology, while FDI only brings in capital. FII helps in increasing capital availability in generals, with FDI only targets specific sectors. FDI flows only into the secondary markets, while FFI targets primary markets. FFI is considered to be more stable than FDI. Answer is B. FFI helps in increasing capital availability in general, while FDI only targets capital sector, specific sectors. Answer number 29. A genetically engineered form of brinjal known as the BT brinjal has been developed. The objective of this is to make it pest resistant, to improve its taste and nutritive qualities, to make it drought resistant, to make its shelf life longer. Answer is A. Make it pest resistant. With reference to Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana, consider the following statements. The member insured under the schemes must be the head of the family or an earning member of the family. In a rural landless households, the member insured must be in the age group of 30 to 65 years. There is a provisions for free scholarships for up to 2 children of the insured who are studying between class 9 to 12. Select the statements given above are correct. Answer is C. 1 and 3. Question number 31. In the context of global oil price, Brent crude oil is frequently referred to in the news. What does this term imply? It is a major classification of crude oils. It is a sourced from North Sea. It does not contain sulfur. Which of the statements given are correct? Answer is B. 1 and 2. The functions of heavy water in a nuclear reactor is to slow down the speeds of neutrons, increase the speed of neutrons, cool down the reactors, stop the nuclear reactions. Slow down the speed of neutrons. In India, if a religious sect community is given the status of a national minority, what special advantages it is entitled to? It can establish and administer exclusive educational institutions. The presidents of India automatically nominated a representative of the community to Lok Sabha. it can derive benefits from the Prime Minister is point 15 point programs. Which of the statement given above are correct? Answer is C, 1 and 3. India is home to lakh of persons with disabilities. What are the benefits available to them under the law? Free schooling till the age of 18 years in government run schools, preferential allotments of land for setting up business, ramps in public building. Which of the statement given is are correct? Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Both 3 are correct. With what purpose is the government of India promoting the concepts of mega food parks? To provide good infrastructure facilities for the food processing industry, to increase the processing of perishables items and reduce wastage, to provide emerging and eco-friendly food processing technologies to entrepreneurs. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer is B, 1 and 2. 36. The authorizations for the withdrawal of funds from the Consolidated Fund of India must come from the Presidents of India, the Parliament of India, the Prime Ministers of India, the Union Finance Ministers. Answer is B, the Parliament of India. All revenue all revenue received by the union governments by way of taxes and other receipts for the conduct of government business are credited to the Contingency Fund of India, Public Account, Consolidated Fund of India, Deposits and Advance Funds. Answer is C, Consolidated Fund of India. Microfinance is the provisions of financial services to peoples of low income groups. This includes both the consumers and the self-employed. The services rendered under microfinance is are credit facilities, saving facilities, insurance facilities, fund transfer facilities. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Southeast Asia has captivated the attentions of global community over space and time as a geostrategically significant region. Which among the following is the most convincing explanations for these global perspectives? It was the hot theater during Second World War, its locations between the Asian powers of China and India. It was the arena of superpowers confrontations during the Cold War period. Its locations between the Pacific and Indian Oceans and its pre-eminent maritime characters. Answer is D. Question number 40. A company marketing food products advertises that its items do not contain trans fats. What does this campaign signify to the customers? The food products are not made out of hydrogenated oils. The food products are not made out of animal fats oils. The oil used are not likely to damage the cardiovascular health of the consumers. Which of the statement given are correct? Answer is C, 1 and 3. Among the following, who are eligible to benefit from the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Acts? Adult members of only the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes households, adult members of below poverty lines BPL households, adult members of households of all backward communities, adult members of any households. Answer is D. With reference to look east policy of India, consider the following statements. India wants to establish itself as an important regional player in the East Asian affairs. India wants to plug the vacuum created by the terminations of Cold War. India wants to restore the historical and cultural ties with its neighbors in Southeast and East Asia. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer is B, 1 and 3. When the annual union budget is not passed by the Lok Sabha, the budget is modified and presented again. The budget is referred to the Rajya Sabha for suggestions. The Union Finance Minister is asked to resign. The Prime Minister submits the resignations of Council of Ministers. Answer is D. Under the constitutions of India, which one of the following is not fundamental duty to vote in public elections, to develop the scientific temper, to safeguard public property, to abide by the constitutions of respect its ideal? Answer is A. With reference to the Finance Commissions of India, which of the following statement is correct? It encourages the inflow of foreign capital for infrastructure developments. It facilitates the proper distributions of finance among the public sector's undertakings. It ensures transparency in financial administrations. None of the statements and A, B, C gives above is are correct in this context. Answer is D. Consider the following. Right to education, right to equal access to public service, right to foods. Which of the above is are human rights? Human rights under Universal Declarations of Human Rights. 1 only, 1 and 2 only, 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Answer is D. There is a concern over the increase in harmful algal blooms in the sea waters of India. What would be the causative factors for the phenomena? Discharge of nutrients from the estuaries, runoff from the plant during the monsoons, upwelling in the seas. Select the correct answer even below. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Consider the following. Photosynthesis, respirations, decay of organic matters, volcanic actions. Which of the above and carbon dioxide in the carbon cycle in Earth? Answer is C, 2, 3 and 4. Recently, the USA decided to support India's memberships in multilateral export controls regimes called the Australia Groups and the MISSIONIAS arrangements. What is the difference between them? The Australia Group is an informal arrangement which aims to allow exporting countries to minimize the risk of assisting chemicals and biological weapon proliferations, whereas the Wassenaar arrangement is a formal group under the OECD holding identical objectives. The Australia groups comprises predominantly of Asian, Africans and North American countries, whereas the member countries of Wassenaar arrangements are predominantly from the European Union and American continents. Which of the statement given is are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one or not two. Answer is D, neither one or two. The surface of a lake is frozen in severe winters, but the water at its bottom is still liquid. What is the reason? Ice is a bad conductor of heat. Since the surface of the lake is at the same temperature as the air, no heat is lost. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. None of the statements A, B and C given above are correct. Answer is C. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade.